Hello YouTube and preppers, this is the Comms Prepper with part 2 of my HF radio email videos. I've got the radio set up here, the antenna's already tuned, and we're going to come over here to my computer and we're going to demonstrate sending HF radio email. So the first thing we need to do is open up the application for HF radio email, and I chose to use Packlink. There's also RMS Express, but we're going to use Packlink today. And the application opened up, and you'll see there's two windows in this application, and in this window here, that's the side of the program communicating with the modem. And as you can see over here, there's the modem, and that window's that piece. This window over here is actually emulating a POP3 server. So what I'm going to do now is open up my Outlook, and when I hit send receive email, you're going to see the connection take place on this side. So let's go ahead and open up my Outlook. And I'm trying to do this with the viewfinder. And my Outlook email opens up. And I already have an email in my draft, so it's ready to go. And I'm going to go ahead and hit send. And now that I hit send, I'm going to hit the send receive button over here and minimize the Outlook. And now you can see over here in this window the POP3 connection from Outlook. And there's the test email ready to go. And if you look down here, I'll zoom in a little bit, and you can see that there's one email waiting to go to the WinLink system. 2 WinLink, 1 email, and that's this email here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and connect to a radio station. So I'm going to come up here and hit connect. Connect to, and then it's going to be to my HF modem, and a new window is going to pop up, and that's going to initialize the modem. Okay, now that my modem's initialized, I'm going to go ahead and select a station in Austria, and as I've said in other videos, I'm working in Moscow, Russia right now, and we're going to go ahead and select the frequency here. And then we'll have to put this into the radio. So what you're seeing here is I have the call sign of the station I want to call, OE4XBU, and I'm selecting this frequency 14064.9, and right below that you'll see where it says upper sideband dial frequency, and then that's the frequency I want to put in the display of my radio. And that should come in so you can see that there, 14063.4. So the frequency is ready, the antenna is tuned, so let's go ahead and initiate a connection. And what should happen here is I should send one email out, and I have one waiting for me to collect. So now the software is making the radio transmit. And you can see the power going up and down. And you hear those chirps? That's that station in Austria responding. So we have an HF radio data link. And you can see the connection taking place here as the two radios communicate. And actually down here it gives you the connection speed, PACTOR 3 speed, 800 baud. I'm going to go ahead and open this window up a little bit so you can see the traffic taking place. You can hear the two radios communicating. And that's the send bar status of the email, sending messages. And you can see where it says sending. So it's not the clearest signal, but it is going. We'll go back over and look at the radio again. So each time a packet is transmitted out, it's error checked to make sure it's 100% accurate. So now that message is gone, and now I have two emails coming in from that server, from the system. So now I'm receiving 2 emails. And when those emails come in, over here you'll see it'll say to client. Okay, I got it corrected. To client 1 email. 1 was a double. So now there's 1 email waiting for me. So what I'll do now is I'll turn the volume down and we'll open up Outlook and go to the inbox and zoom out. And I'm in the inbox and I'll hit send receive. And it pulled down that email, and there's the test email that I sent earlier to myself. So that's the email we just got in over HF radio, and we sent one out over HF radio. And I'll go ahead and minimize the Outlook here, and you can see here on the email side that we received one from the commsprepper@gmail.com. Outlook picked it up. So if you look here in the queues, there's nothing waiting to go to the client and nothing waiting to go to WinLink. So all of our email went in and out, and that's how HF email works. As always, thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. This has been the Comms Prepper.